It's a beautiful day here. As I was saying, it's a beautiful day here in Jackson, Alabama. Beautiful. Last year we got rained out. It was horrible. Cold, nasty, wet, rainy. Anyways, so this year it's making up for it. It is beautiful. I'm standing here in my t-shirt. Races are about to begin. It's about 10 minutes till 10, and we got a nice crowd here. Well, the crowd hasn't shown up, but I'm, a nice group of sawyers, as you would call them. Here's my little setup. Now, I made a mistake. I'm so used to the Sawfest categories being 85cc and less. I was running this as as a 5 cube racer. However, it's 84 something, 85 cc's, and a 4 cube is actually 81 cc's. But they're gonna let me run it, no problem. Got Black Magic. Oh Lord, I can't talk when that's happening. So anyways, I'm all set up. They're fixing to start the axe throwing. Actually, they've already started. The 2004 champion, Coon. Looks like he just got a bullseye. So he won in Webster, I believe, in 2004. Here we go. Let's see what he does here. Oh, no, not on that one. There's male Lentz. I honestly can't remember if I told you already or not, but they're going to let me run the 064 in the 5 cube class, even though it's a little bit too big. But if I place, which is highly unlikely, we all know that, but if I place, I'll just be dropped off. I won't actually get a chance of actually winning, but just running it is what I was hoping for. So I got spotted a chain by Jody. Thank you, Jody. So we're all set up. Got a new 16-inch bar on there. I will say that you guys, if you're looking to get into this, the Stihl bars, the slot in there is not as deep as the Husqvarnas, and then the tail at the end is a little bit too long. The distance between here and your actual sprocket is shorter, and so you have less leeway. Like a 60 drive link chain and 16-inch bar on my Jonsered or Husqvarna saws, you got plenty enough room to run a 9-pin sprocket. On this, I can barely run an 8. And so what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll modify this bar, cut that slot a little bit longer, cut the tail off a little bit longer. Maybe I'll have to address the oiler hole, but I'm guessing I don't. But anyways, the point is you want everything to be kind of uniform, so that way you just have 60 drive link chains that you can use on different saws. But I'm really happy Jody spotted me that chain, and I'm certain that it'll cut. His stuff is always really good, and I'm just excited. I'm all geeked up. Ready to start everything. I've already started everything so far, so everything's starting up and running good. I still need to start the Craftsman 3.3 though. I'm just kind of waiting on it because it gets kind of finicky. Whenever you let it sit, you gotta squirt it more and everything, and so I would just save that until about 3 or 4 minutes before it's time to actually run, and then we'll start getting it ready to go.
Your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, y'all, let's help them out. They need all the help they get. This is tough work right here. Well, I'm turning around already. West, though, I guarantee you, these guys take a lot of time sharpening these axes. Let's help him out, y'all. Let's help him out. Somebody must have slipped one of them Alabama hickory logs in there. There you go.
Yeah.
Bodie, Sam, are y'all good to warm up? Yep. All right, warm them up. Sam, you putting your glasses on or no? All right. Bodie, you good? Sam, you good? All right, we're good?
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
I thought I was going to cut out, but I didn't, so I kept going. I just won my heat race. Kenny says that's good. Come on, Kenny. Give me that thumbs up, Kenny. Come on. There you go, buddy. I thought I was going to cut out on the first down cut, but then I was like, no, I'm not. So I kept going. Anyways, I won a heat.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! To your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so Bodie and Brian are going to go. And Sam's got a technical problem, and he'll be back. If he can get it fixed. So that'll Bodie and
your
Sam.
Timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
We got to change the name of that YouTube channel from Novice lumberjack to veteran lumberjack.
That's right.
All right, next up will be Jody and Wayne, right? We're moving everybody up, right? That's correct? Jody and Wayne, y'all will go next. Then the Coon.
Almost got him.
And then Cole.
I was a little slow. Almost had him, but I was a little slow. I don't know what he did, but yeah, I'm happy. Jonsered runs good.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Mikey on yellow. Ken and Grant, y'all on.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
And sometimes that happens. All right, y'all.
Cody, you good? Mike, you good? Hands to the wood. Run it.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sam and Grant, y'all up next. Sam on the black, Grant on the yellow.
I messed it up again. I really need to practice. But you know,
Competitors, are you ready? Hands to the wood.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Jody and Grant, y'all up next. Jody on black, Grant on yellow. Coon and Ken, y'all are on deck. Coon on black, Ken on yellow. Joe and Cole. Y'all on the bubble. Joe on black, Cole on yellow.
I really need to get a good handle on that thing. Well, if for doing this stuff, I need to get rid of some of the compression. Jesus.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Another good race.
1, go! Three, two, one, go! Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
On that one. Woo!
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Competitors ready? Run it.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
That's pretty fast right there.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, good job, Jody. Colin.
All right, competitors ready? Run it.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, let's give a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes the hacksaw.
Hands to the wood.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
That right there is what you call slinging some sawdust right there, guys.
Hands to the wood.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
If y'all didn't get no sawdust on your phone now, you got it then. That was fun.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
I am ecstatic. I got my first winnings. I got $10 because I took 5th place in the 4 cube with my Jonsered 2165. Ah! I am so damn excited about that. That is really awesome. So I took pictures of all the standings and I'll put them in right here. But Grant, he took first place in both the mechanical and manual competitions. I couldn't film everything. I couldn't film, I don't think I got really anything of the, hey, I don't think I got anything really of the 5 cube racers. I was busy swapping chains over to my 660 and stuff, and then, you know, we gotta have a second to breathe. But I'm super happy. It's a super fun event. If you guys haven't been out to a chainsaw event, that is Grant running all the race fuel out of his saw. You got to do that or it eats up the rubber bits. But anyways, if you haven't made it out to a chainsaw event and you like this stuff, you're in this hobby, you got to come out and enjoy it. It's fun to watch. I know, even with all the saws I got, my first real race event, I was blown away by how fast they are. It's just absurd. It's nuts how fast some of these saws are. And that's cool. It's fun environment, good people, had a great time, and I'm just ecstatic. I placed 5th. Oh my God, with the saw that I built. That's really, really, really awesome. I'm all emotional. I might. Oh, a side note, they do the Jack and Jill competition here with the crosscut saws. And I was telling people that I identify as a girl. So I should be able to run as a Jill, but no dice. All right, later guys.